Breaking news, Nigerians. This is good news. Chief Justice of Nigeria determined to end abuse of court processes. And Nigerians are asking many questions. How did they intend to do this? Can we trust them? Well, let's see how things unfold. But before then, guys, if you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. May God bless you all. It is admirable and merits support that the judiciary branch of government is moving in the direction of sanitizing the industry and ensuring adherence to legal procedures. The judiciary, a trusted branch of government primarily tasked with administering justice, is crucial to the maintenance of democratic administration in Nigeria. As a result, abuses of the legal system, such as bringing bogus claims before the courts, render the judiciary powerless and pose a serious barrier to the administration of justice. Therefore, the recent remarks made by Justice Olukayode Ariwola, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN, at a special section to commemorate the 2022-2023 legal year and the installation of the 62 new senator advocates of Nigeria are quite insightful. The CJN attributed the proliferation of various lawsuits in numerous courts to the pressure placed on the judiciary. He said that in order to alleviate the courts of unneeded burden, the public should adopt alternative dispute resolution ADR and engage in less litigation. In addition, the CJN said, no matter how minor the problem may be, we hurry to court in every small dispute, and in every lost case, we rush to appeal, even up to the Supreme Court. There are currently a number of appeals before the Supreme Court as a result of this. We wholeheartedly concur with the CJN. It is established law that, as provided by the Constitution, those who have been wronged shall have unrestricted access to the legal system. In actuality, nothing could be more than depriving harmed parties of their fundamental rights to legal redress. To exploit the legal system or to overreach, harm, prejudice, frustrate, or otherwise work injustice against the other party. Parties frequently file frivolous lawsuits. In those situations, the abuse is demonstrated by the initiating party's desire to annoy, vex, and oppress an opposing party to the lawsuit rather than by exercising their ostensible constitutional right to seek redresses in court. This is why the late Justice Nikki Toby, who presided over the Supreme Court case, argued v. Litigation is not a game of chess when players outsmart themselves through whatever means of purpose and tricks, assented Jolichi, 2004. Contrarily, litigation is a legal dispute in which the parties lay their respective perspectives on the justice table in a straightforward, unbased manner. It is encouraging that some courageous judges have now turned to finding litigants and attorneys heavily in order to deter them from bringing baseless lawsuits to court. Nevertheless, for instance, the Supreme Court penalized two elect members of the bar 10 million each on February 26, 2022 for bringing frivolous matters to court. Respectively, the two infuriated the Supreme Court justice to the point where they mandated that each of them pay 10 million to each of the 3 respondents out of their own funds. I cannot believe, and with tears in my eyes, I say I cannot believe that in my lifetime I will see any senior members of the bar bringing applications of its nature to this court, which are intended to desecrate the sanity of this court. For it is well-known principle that the decision of this court is final and destroy the extreme in which this court is held, Justice Amina said while delivering the ruling. Well, una don talk wetin una don talk, we don hear. The most important thing is that make the court still dey stand for the truth. You understand? No matter who are involved. Just like the case, that is before them right now, before the Presidential Petition Tribunal Court. Nigerians are really expecting much from them. Nigerians are really expecting much from them. You understand? And for that reason, they just have to do the right thing, because the court is seen as the last man hope. If by the time people will now, have it like no need of going to court, because if you still go court self, nothing will happen. They will even double your wahala. You understand? It not make sense. The Nigerian judiciary should stand for justice. They should rebuild that trust so that Nigerians will trust them. You understand? Right now, Nigerians do not trust them. Nigerians do not trust them at all. Okay, guys, you've all heard it now. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.